Yeah, it was.
Okay, we're here back at the Heaven Bound Farm, and we have another wonderful unboxing. And that there is Mrs. Smooches. They say she looked in the mirror and found out she's a pig instead of a dog. She is madder than all get out for some reason. I think she's wanting her strawberries because I made strawberry shortcake, and I think she's wanting her little part of it.
Or she went out.
Or she may just want out. She's tired of being in bed. And we want to see what we have here. Oh my goodness, is that there called a Hummo? West Germany Hummel. My mom collected those things, and I still put them in her cabinet for her from time to time. I haven't bought her nothing for a while. Since I bought her a collector's thing, the Merry Wanderer, it says, Am I Humble on it? And this here is a collector's club Hummel. Is that the one with the little pig?
Yeah, no, that's the first one.
Oh, I bet you that's the one that's got the little basket, the postal basket. Or what? Well, we'll see here in a minute when it comes out. Be very careful. That even has the original box. And it should be from West Germany. Mom would have went nuts over that. Like I said, we lost our mom. And due to secondhand smoke. So everybody out there, be careful smoking around your kids, your loved ones. That's M.I. Hummel Club. She would love to have that. Yeah, she's got it now in her cabinet. So don't tear the box because I'll keep that box. Yeah. Be very careful with that because it's a collector's. Hold on just a minute, everybody. Oh. Okay, we're here back. That was a telephone call we had. Okay, then there's the box and everything of it. And got that for 99 cents off of eBay. Cost a total of $13 and something to have it shipped. And there's her original box, original papers. Original papers, certificate of authenticity. And that's the little girl holding the pig. Bring it a little bit closer, please. It's 1999 Collectors Club of Humble. And that right there, my mom would have just loved that thing. I got it because I had the little pig, and plus she likes Humbles. So put all that back in that box. Then we'll be right back with another unboxing. Okay, we're here back with another wonderful unboxing. See what this box had it. Altogether, we got 6 packages today in the mail. And like I said, we order it and have no idea what's coming. And so we'll see what we get out of this one. I think he gets the biggest knife out. Like he's Rambo.
No, my biggest one now.
Don't weigh no much more than a wet fart. I'm surprised he can handle the knife. I think it weighs more than he does.
No, it does.
Now what? Oh! I know what that is. That right there is our is our little choir boy from Royal Dalton, I believe. Yep.
Yeah, one of me.
Yes, that's exactly what that is. Be very careful. That's another Royal Dalton figurine. Oh my goodness, look at that. Just look at that.
Face.
That is a Royal Dalton figurine. Don't it say Royal Dalton on the bottom?
And you will not make it verbal.
And that's his little singing book. He's got all kinds of writing in it and everything. Here we go. There's his little face. And there's his little outfit. And then down here's where it says, well, I can't get the focus. It's a Royal Dalton. Yep. But I just thought that was nice because now we got 2 Royal Dalton figurines. The first ones we've ever had. And I just like stuff. My nephew told me, don't collect stuff thinking you're going to get rich off of it. Collect it because you like it. So that's what I've been doing. There's a book he's reading, his songbook. And his name is Timothy Allen. And he's the nurse in the Army, well, which now he's over a big clinic up there. Okay, here we are back with another one. Oh, Lord, I gotta watch how I do him. Watch everybody don't touch him. Goodness. But now we have got some more figurines. I'll watch those peanuts and see what this here consists of. Oh my, what's that?
I don't know what you get.
Something big you care about.
Something big in that, and it takes the whole box. What the heck did I get there?
I don't know, you told me.
Oh, it's a Precious Moment thing. Oh, it's a box, another box inside the box. Okay. Well, they sure didn't want that to get broke. Oh, Lord have mercy. Careful, careful, careful. They're not going to refund if it's my fault it gets broke. Oh, goodness. Let's see what we have here. Oh, I think I know what that is.
The wedding ark.
That's the ark, the chapel thing, and there's their papers there on it. Tells you all about it. And this here was a real person. I didn't know that. And a lot of these little figurines is after his family and after him when he was a kid. So I just think that was just amazing, that kind of stuff, you know. And here I've seen Precious Moments for years. And I just happened, Dennis said, won't you bet on that? So I bet, oh my, that nice. Be careful, use 2 hands, use 2 hands. Oh, it's still in the original box and all. And you get the wedding figurines to go in front of this, see? And then you put it in your China hutch.
Wedding ark, 1986.
1986.
Samuel J. Butcher.
And that is supposed to be the wedding arch. And then you get the wedding people to go in front of it. And then you put that in your curio cabinet with all your other stuff. in your precious moments of your wedding. That thing's heavy too. Oh, here, put that back in there.
What's the,
Be very careful. And so I've just been collecting stuff. Timothy told me, he said, don't get stuff you think you're going to get rich off of. And so I haven't been. I've just been getting stuff I like. So, and I've always liked precious moments.
I like everything.
But it's, that's from the Peanut Gallery back there. Timothy, or Dennis. And,
I have a bigger, not soil penis off.
but anyway, here, let's just have this here. Now we got us another.
Boxes for you get them.
Okay, so here we got another package. I will let you all in on a little surprise. I did get the wedding couple that goes with the arch, but you had to buy them separate, bid separate.
These were Dalton.
Oh, another Royal
No,
Dalton.
these Dalton.
Oh, my bedtime figurines. Oh my goodness. So that's 3 more Royal Daltons. That makes us 4 Royal Daltons. I just love Royal Dalton figurines. I never could afford them, but I've been winning them on auction. I figured out you didn't have to pay all that money. You just take and get you win on auctions, and you don't have to pay that much. I'll go back and I'll put it in the video of what I did actually win these for. That way y'all know. And if you like little trinkets and stuff, go in there and bid on them. And be very careful with that, DJ, because that's irreplaceable.
What a company not doing.
We'll have to do something. Glad there ain't no Burger Man out there to get us tonight, because you sure ain't going to hurt him.
No, damn, I got another one back there too.
Watch, Jason. You could come on in tonight.
Guys got the irreplaceable and chop his finger off.
Oh, John's went out.
Jason, what's the other one? Freddie?
I'm telling you, I'm just gonna give me England, the world made, you know, not made, 1956.
1976.
World on May 1956.
Oh, yeah, May 1956 when this one was made. And look at that. It still looks
Giant.
like it's brand new. Bedtime figurine. I just couldn't believe it. 1956, that is older than me.
Brother, go back on that. Yeah.
Isn't that just beautiful? And I got these for hardly anything. Now here we go. Have you people noticed the green knives? Show them the green knives.
Pack of salt,
That right there is, what's that for?
colored corner.
Yeah,
Pack
but
of
it's,
salt is,
for
Zombies.
the zombies,
yeah.
the green ones. So if you have any zombies in your life that's trying to come and eat your
Dinosaur.
flesh,
Pack of salt, colored corner, on JTV 227.
that's the channel and he gets his stuff off of. Cuttery Corner,
Colored corner,
227
on JTV.
on DirecTV. And you get a whole big, like 100 and some knives for so much a month, 3-4
Now on
months.
262 Vision, they show the sets of so many knives, and it's only every now and then.
Yeah. Okay, let's see what she looks like. That's the little girl that goes with the little boy. Bedtime story. And I think it is 1956 as well. And I think some people just have this stuff sitting around so long that they just throw it up there on auction just to get it out of the house so they can move in new merchandise. And I am one lucky person to be able to find it on there and to get it. Because I never thought, like I said, that I could ever afford a Royal Dalton. And here's the little girl.
World on China, even May 1956.
Yes, here's the little girl. She's 1956. A Royal Dalton. That's the little girl that goes with the boy.
You see that back with the case from the bed. No, we're going now.
There you go. It's focused in. and it just looks brand new. So I'm one very happy camper. So don't forget to like and subscribe and to share. There's the little boy and the little girl figurines, Royal Dalton figurines. And just thank you for everything, and God bless y'all. And there's the little boy that's singing in the church. And God bless each and every one of you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and most of all, share. And get us out there so we could get up there one of these days, and we might be able to afford more knickknacks to show you and all. Okay, bye-bye.